Requested personal video of the 370 fan. She's a real machine, there's no doubt about it. I'll explain the switch issue in a second. Just a video walk around. It's kind of windy out here. I don't know if I got you parked behind my trailer. The sound should be okay. Slides are almost new. Let's see. This isn't a real high production deal here. Tail light's not cracked. Seat's not ripped. Oh, thumb warmers and hand warmers. And the hand warmers work. I haven't verified the thumb warmers yet, but I will. Miles 35:16 today as she sits. Hood's really clean. It's in good shape. I've got the current 25 sticker. Have to put that on yet. I want to get inside and warm it up before I do that. Plastic skis, they're in good shape. Let's see. Scuff in the hood, but that's not a crack. Headlights in good shape. Windshield's good. I don't know. It's overall in really good shape. It's a really clean sled. I know the guy that bought it new. He runs a resort on Otter Tail by us, and I bought it from him, and it's been literally sitting in my garage up there for 3 years since I bought it, so it is not set outside. Everything's in pretty good shape over here. I'll show you under the hood. This video might go a little long, but come on, you bastard. All right, there you go, the 370 fan in all her glory. Wow, what are you gonna do with all that power? Simple. Works. Oil doesn't leak. The issue's with the throttle. So let me describe this a little bit and then you'll see what I'm talking about. There's two micro switches in the throttle. One of them's right there on the throttle side, and the other one is up here. It's underneath this red kill switch. Now the red kill switch works, and so the micro switch, you depress the throttle, it satisfies this switch, and it allows this switch to open and it doesn't kill the engine. I think I've got too much play in that, but here's what she does. Turns and runs fine. Ride it all day long. The issue is when you push down on the throttle. Right there, see that? Now if you just don't push down on it, it never does it. Pushing down. So when people are riding it, what happens is they tend to put their hand on top and press down. See what I mean? If you know what you're doing, you can run it all day long. So that's the issue. I got to adjust this slop. I think that's too much. And that's in the throttle cable. I'm going to work on that this afternoon. Sorry, I know that's loud. Key, no electric start. Nice big gas fill. It's basically full of fuel. Yeah, that's it, man. What else do you want to see? Let me know on this switch. I'm going to start futzing around with it here in my shop, and I don't know, I'll be at my shop. If you want to talk, you give me a call, but I'll upload this video to my YouTube, and then I'll send you a private link so you can see it all. All right. Dude, catch you later, man.